In this video, I'm going to show you how to replace the blower motor resistor on your Kia Optima, located on the passenger side of the vehicle. Let's get started. We're going to be moving onto the glove box, and we're going to be removing this copper. So go ahead and grab it on each corner and push down on it. Slide it out. We're going to locate the resistor. It's located right over here. We're going to start by unplugging it. Go ahead and grab onto the connector and pull it out. Just like that. Next up is going to have two Phillips screws. Go ahead and remove those. Using an extension and a Phillips bit, go ahead and remove this bolt. After removing the bolt, slide the part out. And here's the old one. And here's the new one. We're gonna go ahead and line it up in this direction. You want this flat side to be facing the bottom and the outside of the car. So go ahead and slide it in. We're going to start the bolts by hand. Go ahead and get them snug. Once you have both bolts in place, go ahead and plug it back in. Make sure you hear a click, and you just want to give it a light tug to make sure that it is in place. Now we're ready to install the bottom tray. Go ahead and line it up and push up on it. That'll be job done.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.